So there you have it, lads. It's been so long since I shared with you guys, but we made about 36k today. That is home, baby. When there is so many imbalance on the left hand side, where is price gonna gravitate towards? The point of interest that led to this imbalance in the first place, the order block, testing your will, right, to see whether you want to take profit early or not. If my prediction is right and price hits TP within the next 6 minutes or so, you guys gotta comment W. No! It's all a test. 25 bands in June? Oh! Bro, it's 26 right now. In June! In bloody June! Yo, I'm full porting, lads. I'm full porting, mate. So I just entered for a sell right here. Place my stop loss right above the liquidation candle, obviously. And you can see we are aiming for down here, all the way downtown, alright, baby, all the way down here. So this is like a 1:4.8R. You know, we have been very, very picky when it comes to our trades that we are executing. So it's good to finally see an opportunity after like 1 week. I think it's been 1 week since I trade, honestly. So yeah, pretty much bread and butter. Honestly, I don't even want to explain this. This is so simple. What happened was that price came up there, right, mitigate this supply zone. And bear in mind that this is not an ordinary supply zone, right? This supply swept these highs that we have up here, right? So this is the supply zone that swept liquidity. And then it also led to a break of structure that we have to the downside as well, right? So this is obviously the next point of interest that price is gravitating towards before creating like another low all the way down here, right? Before continuing with this bearish order flow right here. So quite simply put, our bread and butter setup, we wait for price to mitigate the point of interest. Didn't go in right here, right? Because we are not impatient, brokey losers. We are wise, we are disciplined, we are focused. We have developed the quality of equanimity. Alright, so didn't enter right here, no, because I'm not dumb. Didn't enter right here again because I'm not dumb as well. And then waited for price to liquidate those equal highs that we have right there. Then boom, got the liquidation candle, and we entered right upon the liquidation candle itself. Right, so as usual, just risking 1% per trade because we have gotten out of the losing streak. Last week, or rather the first 2 weeks was not pleasant, right? Lost a shit ton of money. Finally got out of that losing streak. So right now we're back to risking 1% of the account itself. And then you can see right here, stop loss above the liquidation candle, right? And yeah, we're just targeting all the way down here. Honestly, if I want to be like a little bit conservative, I can technically just target like this area down here. Because this is like a demand zone that there's a lot of like imbalance, right? It's a strong area where large amount of buy orders actually step into the market. So maybe I can place it right here. But at the same time, this is a pretty shit risk to reward, you know. Okay, now fuck it. All in or nothing, baby. Fuck it. Professional gambling type shit, bro. Hey, don't blame me, guys. Your boy has been down bad, bro. Like, I'm not even sure when I can end off this month positive. That's how down bad I am, right? I could kill for even like a fucking $5 profit, bro. Someone has to fit these chesticles, yo. To be honest, guys, I actually almost went in for a buy, right? Because I saw price liquidating this low right here, and I thought that this entire pullback is over, and right now we are shifting to the upside. But then when I zoom back up to the higher time frame, I found that we are actually still in a heavily bearish internal order flow, right? There is still more room for price to collapse before this pullback is over, right? So I'm trying to continue to play this pullback. You can see, oh boy, that's like bloody Niagara Falls right there, bro. Like, you can see price mitigate this imbalance right here, comes down, right? And right now price is coming up there, swap more liquidity before going back down again, right? So this bearish menstruation cycle is not, what am I saying? This bearish this bearish move is not over, alright? It's not over. Simply put, it's not the end, my friend. GJ is about to go to shit for the next few hours at least, right? So we can expect price to probably come down here, right? At least this area here. You can see this is what? Order block, let's order block, and then just wait for price to boom, and then bam. Okay, simple, guys. Bro, why are you guys complicating trading, bro? Like, it doesn't have to be complicated, guys. No. Bro, this is what it look like when you trade, guys. Like, generally, this is what you look like when you trade, like a fucking idiot. And the market is laughing at you, bro. Like, smart money just sitting there with his big fat belly laughing at you. getting emotional and shit when you are trading. Come on, be zen, my friend. Be zen, my friend. Let me just quickly walk you through my thought process right now as price is going into the red and I'm down like 2k. So right now, price is pulling back a bit here, right? But I'm staying in, okay? This is where most traders panic. They see red, their fight or flight instinct starts kicking in. It's either that or they freeze there and they don't know what to do. And they start second guessing themselves. So that is your amygdala speaking to you right now. That small little part of brain that is responsible for your survival. And it has been there since the dawn of time, right? It's what allows human to survive for such a long period of time. But on the other hand, you got your higher self, right? The part of you where it's logical and rational. And that part is telling you that I'm not here to react emotionally. I'm here to execute my plan. Win or lose, I'm sticking to the process. Because I understand that trading isn't about being right every single time. It's about being disciplined every single time and let your edge play out over the large sample size of trades. That's what trading is about. It's a numbers game. I know my stop loss because I place it at a level which invalidates this trade idea. I know my take profit. I'm not getting too greedy whatsoever. I'm setting it based on where the market is going to go. And I also know that this trade was taken based on clear confluences and confirmation, not emotion, right? I didn't get FOMO, no, none of that. So right now, if I get out early out of fear, right, I give in to my lower self and I let emotions take control of me right now, then I'm no longer trading a system. I'm just reacting. And the truth is this, a lot of your good trades are not going to go straight to profit. Instead, it might take some time to hit your take profit, but sometimes you get lucky and price just goes straight down to your TP. But sometimes, you just gotta let the edge play out. And this is where so many traders mess up. They start second guessing themselves. They let emotions override logic. So right now, at the moment, looking at this, right, I'm staying objective. I'm not getting happy and shit because price is finally going in my way. I still accept the fact that, anything can happen at any point of time, right? Price could still go up there and smash my stop loss. And I'm perfectly comfortable with that. That's confidence. That's not arrogance. Confidence is knowing that you have done the work. It's trusting your process even when the trade isn't going your way in the moment. Arrogance is thinking that you'll win every trade, every time. Remember, confidence is about showing up, managing your risk, and accepting the outcome. Because you know that you might win the next trade, or you might not. But over time, your edge plays out. This isn't about hoping and praying for the best. It's about execution. If you can get that nailed, then my friend, you'll be monumentally profitable in trading. Oh my god, price is moving so damn slow today. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god, I'm actually losing my mind, bro. Bro, wait, actually speaking of that, I've not seen anyone talk about this actually, but traders have the worst mental health I've ever seen. Out of every job in the entire world, I'm pretty sure that traders have some of the worst mental health. And it's not because of the charts. It's because of how personally they take every outcome. One loss and they spiral downwards. One win and they feel like they're on top of the world. But trading isn't supposed to validate you. It's a game of probabilities. It's not a reflection of your worth. If this trade hits stop loss, cool. That's just part of the data. It doesn't mean that I'm shit at trading. It just means that the market is doing what it's meant to do, which is move. And the moment you attach your identity to your P&L, you lose twice. First, emotionally. Second, financially. So for the love of God, detach your self-worth from results, or the market will teach you the hard way. And the worst place that you can end up is broke, constantly losing all your life savings, can't put food on the table, and depressed. Because of the fact that you are losing so much, you have no self-worth whatsoever. And your self-esteem has just went to shit because guess what? You attach your identity to your P&L. So genuinely, I never seen anybody talk about this. But the worst thing you can do right now as a trader is to think that how much money you have in your trading account or how much money you have in your bank account or your profit and loss statement reflects who you are. If you have that mindset, bro, oh my god, like, you are not going to live a very long life. That's all I gotta say, bro. Bro, this is why I say you gotta trust your analysis, man. I've said it time and time again. You guys don't believe me and shit. But yeah, the mental image that I had visualized before I enter the trade is starting to come to reality, right? Because what happens is that before I enter the trade, sometimes I just like to visualize exactly what price would do before it does. Like, this might sound like some fucked up woohoo mindset, psychology, spiritual bullshit, but yeah, like, I feel like a lot of times when I like visualize shit, I visualize situations in the markets and they tend to play out, right? Like, they tend to play out. Yeah, but looking at price right now, man, oh my god, this is actually like a pretty nice trade right here. You can see, oh my god, it's so smooth, bro. It's so smooth like butter. Kaboom! There we go. That's what I'm talking about, lads. That's what I'm talking about. Liquidity coming in right now. Sometimes you just gotta be a little bit patient, you know? Like, bro, stop chasing the market. Just chill. Like, just sit back, and if liquidity want to come, it will come. If it doesn't come, then it doesn't come, okay? Wisdom of the day. Honestly, that sounds like such a simple thing, right? But people can't embrace that. People are still trying to force their will, their ideas, their belief onto the market itself. Oh my god, no, liquidity must come now. Bro, what the fuck? Liquidity doesn't give a shit about you. Smart money doesn't give a shit about you. You're worth not even pennies to them, bro. Mate, wake up. Stop being a bloke, right? Stop wishing, okay? Stop wishing on stuff that will never actually happen. Oh my god, please. No, give me 10k in profits. And I don't want to do anything. Just please, money fall from the sky, please. Wake up, bloke. 10,000 hours later. Price is still bloody chopping. What the hell? Bro, I really can't, man. What is this price action? This is horrendous. This is horrible, okay? Now, 6:30 p.m. I'm just waiting for like us to transition into the London and New York overlap, which is gonna happen very, very soon. And then we'll break out the consolidation. And once we break out this consolidation right here, we will immediately know whether we are going straight to the SL or straight to the TP, right? It's 100 hours later. Bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. What is going on, bro? Bro, it's still... how is it still within this consolidation right here? Like, look at this. Okay, but I got a feeling, right, that price is about to break out to the downside and about to hit TP. Looks like it's straight to the TP, right? So for all the haters and naysayers watching this, hoping that my trade hit stop loss and that I lose my hard-earned money, you're wrong, buddy. It's gonna go hit TP and I'm gonna be laughing at a broke ass after this. That's what I'm talking about, man. Patience pays off. Patience makes profits. Just like what Warren Buffett said, man. The Forex market is a device for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. If you are patient, you sit on your hands and you don't do shit, you don't take stupid trades. If you are patient to wait for your A+ setup, you are patient to let your edge play out, then the market is gonna reward you heavily, just like it is right now. Let me see how much I'm up right now at the moment, you know. Yo, how much are we up right now, bro? Let me just show you real quick. It's been very long since I do this shit, man. 25 bands in June? Oh! Bro, it's 26 right now. In June! In bloody June! I'm back! Motherfucker, I'm back! Well, we have seen the profits. Now it's time to look at what that looks like on the charts itself. You can see we are all the way down here. How many pips is this? We've already managed to catch like good old 30 pips, right? Nothing too crazy, just 30 pips. Just letting the trade do its thing, letting it breathe, right? Not getting panic or anything, because I know for a fact right now, price is potentially gonna have like a minor pullback before it starts going down even further later on. Bro, oh my god, this was actually like a pretty clean trade, bro. It's been kind of long since I feel like this. Like, it feels like I'm back home, baby. That is home, baby. Oh, look at him just fall, bro. Oh my god, this is satisfying as hell, bro. This is actually very satisfying to watch. Look at it just going down on that bitch. You know what I mean? Holy shit, what an absolute meltdown. I'm up 34k right now. I'm so tempted to. Let's close it, man. Should I close it? Let me see. I'm down 9k. If I close this, I'm still gonna be up 30k, right? Should I close this? Nah. I'll hold it all the way to TP, bro. I'll hold it all the way to TP. That's the greatest last word of every trader. Okay, I'm probably gonna put it like at 1.94. Alright, let me just set it right there first. Yo, this is why you're gonna let it run, right? Like I said, man, sometimes it's a little bit like gambling, you know? It's like, go all in on black, you know? Like, why wouldn't you go all in on black, right? Oh, shit. Let's see. Oh, 41k. Oh, okay, and we're only halfway through. We're only halfway through, guys. Kabong, kabong, kabong. Bro, the fucking camera sucks, bro. By the way, this is like a 4K camera, right? Like this thing can actually record in 4K. I'm just not sure why is it not focusing on my majestic profits. It's like 44.3k right now. Okay, just do the math, alright? Just do the math. Just know that your boy is rich. Okay, so okay, we are halfway through TP, right? I don't think there's anything that can stop us right now. Like if I look at the left hand side, is there anything? No, look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. It's just a sharp impulse move just like this. And like I said, when there is so many imbalance on the left hand side, where is price going to gravitate towards? The point of interest that led to this imbalance in the first place, that order block, right? And this would be that order block that price is going to be gravitating towards. Because you must understand that price has come down here, right? Fill up the remaining buy orders that yet to be filled within this area here. And then it could make like a small bounce from this point of interest right here. Or it could just do this, right? Or you can just blast right through it. Right, you can just either do this, or you can like make a small bounce and then start going down, or you can just reverse as well, right? So there's a lot of things that price can do. That is why I'm not going to try to fucking set my take profit like all the way down here, right? That's called being delusional, right? Sometimes you gotta be realistic and pessimistic when it comes to your take profit, and understand that you just gotta place it at a level which makes sense and just not get greedy. Like that's really the best advice right there. If you can have the capacity to ensure that your trade have the correct TP and you don't get greedy whatsoever, you don't try to aim for the stars just for the market to slap you in the face, bro, you are going to get some small wins in there, right? And if you get these small wins here and there, it adds up, right? No, not small wins, I mean big wins, right? I mean, no, at the start when you are a beginner, you know, you're gonna get small wins, but eventually those small wins compound into big wins. And then once you are used to catching big wins, you'll catch even bigger wins, right? I'm talking in terms of like R multiple, if that ever makes sense. Bro, this could be that one trade that's gonna retire my kids, bro. Yo, you can see price just playing again, boy. Remember, guys, patience is key. See, this is those times where the market is just testing your patience, you know. It's all a test. Testing your will, right? To see whether you want to take profit early or not. Testing your patience to see whether you are patient enough to hold the trade all the way to TP or give up right here, right? It's all the test. Yo, am I cooked? Am I cooked, chat? Oh my days. Man, price is just crazy right now, bro. Look, the take profit is still there. Haven't been hit. Nothing has changed whatsoever. We just know that price is potentially pulling back to this area of supply that we have up there. And then pretty much just gonna continue bearish, right? Nothing has changed. Okay, so right now it's 9:30 p.m. So we are a few minutes away from New York session. And I'm expecting price to finally hit my TP, right? Doing the overlap between London and New York, price was like making like a little pullback, which was expected, right? It is what it is, right? You just gotta be patient, sit on your hands. And yeah, right now I can see the price is just continuing right now after the pullback is over. Like I said, most likely the New York liquidity is just gonna push price all the way down here to our TP, and then we can call it a day. Boom! New York liquidity, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I've been waiting for the whole damn day. Alright. So yeah, I can see price just collapsing right now. Right. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit TP within the next, I don't know, I wanna say 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure 30 minutes sounds realistic, yeah. You know what? Let's do it. 30 minutes. We're gonna hit TP, right? Right now it's 9:38 p.m. By 10 p.m. price is gonna hit TP and we're gonna get out of this trade. Damn, bro, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Ah, man, it feels good to be back. Like I said just now, daddy's home. Daddy's home. That's what I gotta say, alright? Okay, so the time now is 10:01, right? So we are a few minutes away from whatever time that I predicted just now, right? So you can see price is somewhere around here. Are we gonna hit it or not? What time did I actually say it? Did I say 9:38? So 30 minutes from like 9:38 is like 10:08. So we got 9 minutes left, right? 9 minutes left on the clock for price to hit TP. Let's see whether I can do this or not. If my prediction is right and price hits TP within the next 6 minutes or so, you guys gotta comment W, right? You guys gotta like this video and comment W, because my prediction is impeccable. Boom, boom, boom. Right, price crashing right now. Right, trying to stay objective, trying to stay level-headed and not get out early. So tempted to close right now, especially when you're up like fucking 50k. If price were to mitigate this and continue bearish, then there's still chance that price is gonna push down even lower. Man, times like this, bro, making it so hard to trust your analysis, man. This is the greatest test right now. Can this actually happen? Oh my god, judging by how bullish price is at right now. Can we do it in 4 minutes, guys? Can we actually do it in 4 minutes? I literally just went from being up like fucking 50k to now being up 28k. My profits just turned into half. And I'm still not emotional whatsoever. Bro, that level of stoicism, that's something that's trained, you know, that's something that you develop over time when you armor your mind every single day, right? So, come on now, 3 more minutes. Calm down now after I hit this supply zone. If not, I'm pretty fucked. Right now the time is 10:07 already, so we're like 1 minute away. Oh my god, is this gonna happen or not? Let me see. Right now, okay, shit. Maybe it's not gonna hit TP in 27 seconds. All right, maybe not. I feel like price is gonna go up even further. You know, it doesn't matter. You still gotta like and comment W. If I win this trade, okay? If I win this trade, you like and comment W. That's your promise to me. No, fuck. Oh shit, guys. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best, bro. It's so difficult to just watch your profits cut by half. Like this, whatever you see right now is how I personally feel at the moment. I'm not even gonna like hide it or sugarcoat it, but this is really how I feel. But the thing is, I'm not letting that emotion dictate my action. That's the difference between me and you, right? Because if you see this shit right now, you start getting emotional and shit, you're gonna go up there, go to your MetaTrader 4 and close the position. But you can see, one trick that I've learned is just put your phone away from you, right? Like, yes, get emotional. You're not a robot, right? You're still a human. Obviously, you'll face fear, greed, desire, jealousy, whatever fucking emotion that you face as a human. You face everything, right? Like what I always say to my students, trading is going to bring out the parts of yourself that you didn't know you had in the first place. It's going to bring out your deepest insecurities, your darkest demons, and really show how greedy you are. It's just going to like show you who you are as a person, right? And I think that's the most beautiful or the most philosophical part about trading. It's really just like life. If you can understand trading, or rather if you can become a better trader, you will develop self-awareness as a side effect as well, right? And if you develop that self-awareness, it can carry you to greater heights in life, right? But bloody hell, man. Oh my days. Bro, even right now, I'm still bearish, right? Because I know for a fact that it's just what? Bearish market structure being formed right here. Okay, lower highs, right? This one is just an inducement, okay? This one is not really considered as like a lower high to me. Or whether you can kind of consider this as a lower high, but to me this doesn't really count, right? Let's go up. Yep, this doesn't really count. You can see right here, doesn't really count. Okay, so what can happen is that this is just an inducement for price to sweep more liquidity above these highs right here before we get a final push to the downside. Okay, so that's the logical, the rational part of my brain speaking to me and just explaining to you as well. But yeah, right now it's not the time to panic. Same thing, right? Just continue holding the trade. I'm cool, man. I'm cool, bro. Okay, look at what happened here. Right, so we pretty much got price coming up there, mitigating this supply that we have up here. And obviously, like I mentioned just now, what plus price need to do, right? Price need to sweep some liquidity, which did, right? Sweep some liquidity above this highs right here. And then now we are pushing to the downside, right? Like I said, no biggie. Don't ever let emotions hijack your decisions, alright, guys? Just continue staying calm, and you will all be alright. Alright, you will all be perfect at the end of the day, right? Like, you can see my expectations did not align with the reality of the market. I expected myself to hit TP like what, 20 minutes ago, but that did not happen. It is what it is, right? We cannot control how fast the market move. We can't control when we're gonna hit TP. But like I said, what you can control is your itchy little finger, right? You can choose whether to hit that close trade button or not, right? But if you have the mental resilience to not do it when you are going through like a drawdown, or when you are haven't hit your TP yet, then my friend, you have resisted temptation. And when you resist temptation, guess what? The market rewards you. Like I said, it's all a test. It's just all one big test, man. Down we bloody go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it, champs. Let's get it, champs. Okay, so 10:41 p.m. My prediction was probably gonna be late. Like what, 2 hours? Hey, it is what it is, guys. Like I said, a win is a win, right? Cash is cash. If I don't take profit here, price can just chop around here, or I have to hold the trade overnight. Like, I have to hold the trade overnight to see price hitting this take profit, because I genuinely just wanted to go to sleep right now. You know what? Fuck this shit, guys. I can't see defeat today, man. I'm not waiting for this shit anymore. Right now, we're up about 35k. I'm just gonna take it. I'm so sick of like just waiting for price to go all the way down there, and like price seems to be like chopping around. It's gonna be quite slow again and shit. It's not fun, innit? Let's just get out of this so I can go to bed, bro. Right, I'm no longer a swing trader, lads. I'm more of like an intraday right now. The man is getting old, bro. You know what? We have came too far to give up, right? I've came too far, waited too long to give up. So I'm just gonna go brush my teeth right now, and then we'll come back very soon. Bro, I've been gone for like 15 minutes and price only moved 1 centimeters. What? Yup, that's it. It's 11:30 p.m. right here. I've got a meeting at fucking 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. Right, and as you guys know, your boy has switched to become an intraday trader. So I'm just gonna close all my positions before I sleep. Right, don't really want to hold it overnight anymore. At least not for today. So close everything right there. Bro, it kind of sucks, man. It kind of sucks not seeing our trade hit TP. We managed to close this trade at like what, 2.4R, 2.5R, right? Like 2.5R ish. So made about 36k on this trade. It is what it is. I'm just so tired on this shit, man. Yeah, like price action is just not ideal in June, bro. Like, it's generally just not ideal in June, right? But like I said, I'll take anything the market gives me in this period of time, man. So there you have it, lads. It's been so long since I shared with you guys, but we made about 36k today, right? Quick little 36k, 2.5R. It could have been like a 4.8R, right? But like I said, sometimes when the market conditions are not ideal, you just gotta play the cards that you're dealt with, right? Adaptability is key in this game. Like I said, I'd rather end of this month profitable and getting something than ending off this month red, right? So I'm genuinely like right here willing to take anything from the market. Like, I'm just devouring shit for breakfast right now, and I'm okay with it. Nah, just kidding. Alright, bye. Look at this shit, man. Like, if it's any other month other than June, I swear to God, we'll probably have hit TP. But because of the fact that our price is just so, the volatility is just not there, right? Even during New York session, price only moved like this. Like, what? Like, I mean, like at the start of the New York Open, price only moved this. Like, what is this? What is this? This is like peanuts, bro. Okay, good night.